Hi, I'm Alex, the founder of LucidERP. If you've read my recent posts, you'll probably have an idea about what LucidERP is. Today, we'll be more hands-on and we'll help Jane Doe register 8 hours on her project and invoice it to a customer. In doing so, we'll cover central workflows such as time reporting, approvals, accounting, and invoicing. You'll see that a small amount of input lets you accomplish a lot in the system. Now, let's get started. When you log on, Lucid directs you to a dashboard. It shows you the status of the latest timesheets and top projects. In the top, there's a navigation bar, which adjusts to the user role and only shows items that are relevant for the role and within the user's access rights. You can click on it or perform a search, and the menu will adjust accordingly. Now 8 hours we said. We're going to register 8 hours. So we'll type in time and we'll click on it and select the current week. Next, we'll add a timesheet row. We'll select a project, project A, and an item. Items can of course vary by project. We'll add a comment, X, Y, Z, and we'll add 8 hours on Tuesday. We'll save it. We can see that it hasn't been submitted, so we'll go ahead and submit it now. Let's return to our dashboard. In this scenario, Jane is responsible for approving all time registrations on the project we just selected, so she now has a to-do which reads, "There's one project entry awaiting your approval." And she clicks on it. Here she reviews all entries that are awaiting her approval, and this time there's only one. She'll approve it. And what happens next is that Lucid automatically posts entries to the general ledger, and we can see them here. It's the latest verification. We are now recorded an unbilled revenue. Next, Jane invoices this time. She'll type invoice, select project invoice, and here she sees a nice overview of the projects that are available and the quantities within them. So let's clear the previous filter. Here's her registration, XYZ on project A. She can select it, add it to the invoice draft. Next, review the draft. Here's the invoice that will be sent with all information required for it to be a legit invoice. She creates the invoice. Now that the invoice has been created, a reflecting post is made in the general ledger. We'll find it right here. We'll see that there's no longer unbilled revenue. Now there's an account receivable instead. All the information required for the VAT reporting has been derived correctly. And that's it. So thanks for watching. There's of course a lot more to it, and I'm happy to show you more in future videos. Bye.